Let's make an easy, creamy spinach dip. To start, we're going to heat some olive oil, saute onions and garlic until very tender, about 6 minutes. Add flour and stir it in for about 1 minute until it thickens into a paste. Add chicken broth. Continue to stir until the mixture begins to thicken. Add a little bit of heavy cream, bring it to a boil. Whisk in a little bit of cayenne pepper. Turn the heat all the way down and add the Parmesan cheese. Whisk until the mixture turns into a thick and creamy cheese sauce. Now we take some fresh spinach and we fold it right into our cheesy sauce. And finally, we stir in some sour cream. And here we go. You've got some delicious warm spinach dip. Enjoy! For more easy recipes, go to cheerfulcook.com. Thanks for watching. Bye!